While we're getting some more breaking news coming in, we'll have to cut straight across to it. Breaking news just coming in. After Delhi's Batra hospital issued SOS over depleting oxygen supply, the breaking news coming in is that one tank of oxygen has reached this particular hospital. This has, of course, brought in some level of relief for the hospital management and the patients that are admitted there. Over 350 patients are being treated at the hospital. Just a while back, hospital appealed to the authorities for urgent supply of oxygen. Ashutosh Mishra, breaking this story first on India Today, is now joining us, reporting from Delhi. Ashutosh, while the good news is that one tank of oxygen has reached the hospital, some relief has come to Batra hospital at the moment. But just a little while back, I was speaking to the management of another hospital. And they said, yes, we have also received oxygen, but it needs to be continuous. You can't just send oxygen one day and then stop the supply for the next of the days, because the patients are extremely critical and the supply chain needs to be fixed so much so that there is continuous supply of oxygen.
Chaiti, the crisis is really deep, and though the biggest chain of the hospitals, they are suffering, somehow they are able to arrange from the localities or other resources. But think about the local hospital, the smaller hospitals, those are also treating the COVID patients. Right behind me here at Batra Hospital in Tughlakabad, there was an SOS call. The oxygen was almost finished, and after all the appeals that was made by the medical director, one tanker of oxygen with 500 litres of the liquid oxygen has been assured, and that tanker just reached here at Batra Hospital. So this is indeed a respite moment for the hospital, but that is going to last only for 45 minutes. Let me tell you, 45 minutes, that is what the hospital is saying on record. Remember, more than around 300 patients being treated, and as per the hospital data, it says they require 7,000 litres of oxygen per day to function in a full capacity. Remember, this crisis has worsened because of the number of patients, the multiple number of patients, multifold perhaps from the usual days all across the Delhi hospital. Since they are flooded, the need of the oxygen has indeed increased. As far as supply chain is concerned from different sources all across the country, that remained from the poor side, perhaps why this crisis is being seen in the national capital. And until and unless the process of delivering oxygen supply is expedited to the national capital, this crisis is going to continue further. Several hospitals are saying that we cannot reach to the
huge crisis. Batra hospital also, after issuing this particular SOS, ended up getting very limited quantity of oxygen. As Ashutosh just mentioned, not just this, many other hospitals are complaining. Even though the oxygen is reaching there, it's not going to last them longer. There needs to be a continuous supply of hospital and of oxygen, and that is what the SOS is going out from different hospitals. Ashutosh, I'm coming back to you. We've got some more breaking news coming in. Right there, another hospital in the Delhi-Jaipur highway, which is Golden Hospital, has issued an SOS over oxygen shortage. What we are picking up right now is that according to the hospital, all right, this hospital is in Delhi. I beg your pardon. The name of the hospital is Jaipur Golden Hospital. This is breaking news coming in, and please mind the mistake that I've just made. They've issued an SOS over oxygen shortage. According to this particular hospital, only 45 minutes of oxygen stock is left. 215 patients are being treated at the hospital. So this is another breaking story that we are getting in, which is in Delhi. Jaipur Golden Hospital is the name of the hospital, and this happens to be in Delhi. Ashutosh is breaking this story first here on India Today. Ashutosh, take it away. What is the problem that Delhi's Jaipur Golden Hospital is facing? Another SOS coming in for the shortage of oxygen.
Well, SOS has been issued from the Golden Jaipur Hospital located in Rohini, in the national capital, as they say that we have more and more patients in flow which seriously require oxygen supply, and now they are almost dying with the oxygen, as the flow and the backup that they have is only for the 45 minutes. However, the maximum they can stretch for 15 to 20 minutes if the oxygen flow is reduced a little. That's what we have seen yesterday. Many hospitals are doing to buy some more time. But clearly this also shows that how smaller chain of the hospitals in the national capital and perhaps all across NCR are suffering worse. The biggest chain somehow able to manage their stock supply to buy more and more time. But think about the critical situation of the smaller hospitals. Continuously SOS has been coming. In fact, there is one war room has been set up in the national capital. Last late night, the Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who's also a nodal minister of the COVID situation, went to the war room, had a meeting with the all officials who are in charge of this war room and taking all SOS calls. But this explains the situation, and particularly the ratio of demand and supply that we see quite imbalance in the national capital. That seems to going to be another disaster. We have seen tragedy unfold in Maharashtra, and clearly if the supply chain is not going to be made as par with the demand that we see in the national capital, particularly in the surge of the patients, those who require, because of the hypoxia and several other reasons, require more and more oxygens, there could be a disaster waiting for. So that, for the all authorities, the state and the center really need to look for and ensure maximum supply of the oxygen is made available not only to the big chain of the hospital, but also the smaller hospitals in the national.
Ashutosh, we're getting more inputs coming in. Just stay on with us on this breaking story only. The MD of Jaipur Golden Hospital, DK Baluja, has claimed that yesterday almost 20 critical patients died due to lack of oxygen supply last evening. This is very, very distressing news coming in, Ashutosh. On one side, there are hospitals coming together, putting out SOSs on Twitter, which is unprecedented, to say the least. They are trying to get themselves heard through Twitter. They have to reach the top brass of the political brass through Twitter. If that was not enough, they're getting very limited stock of oxygen. And now the MD of Jaipur Golden Hospital has claimed that 20 most critical patients died due to lack of oxygen supply last evening. Ashutosh, who is to be held accountable for this?
Jyoti, since morning I have been trying to confirm this news. Even authority was quite mum on this, but finally the MD of Jaipur Golden Hospital has confirmed on record that yesterday late evening 20 critical patients, because of there was no oxygen, adequate amount of oxygen, the supply could not be made, and 20 critical patients died in the national capital. We have seen the similar tragedy in Maharashtra. Now it is in the national capital. The SOS alarm continuously coming from different hospitals. You heard Batra Hospital, ICSIC made one hospital, Jaipur Golden is in critical condition, and where 20 patients have died. And this is clearly, the authorities need to be held responsible, be it the state government, center government, that they should have done everything. They should have fought this pandemic, they should have fought this crisis like an election. Think them as a vote bank, and then they should have been prepared for it. This tragedy could have been averted. I don't know who should be blamed for it. Who will But for now, it is a sad story, perhaps worst story of the day. 20 people in the national capital died because of lack of oxygen in one hospital. And
In
still
one
the
hospital
SOS
alone.
continuously coming from several hospitals.
Yes, absolutely, Ashutosh. In one hospital alone, the MD of Jaipur Golden Hospitals is now claiming that yesterday 20 critical patients died because of the lack of oxygen. There needs to be some level of accountability as far as the governance is concerned at the state and the central level.